base po sa inyong kwento, mukhang pong hindi magiging basis sa inyo ang mag-apply ng ownership doon sa property based on acquisitive prescription because in the first place, you are not there. Hindi nyo ito na-occupy in the concept of an owner. Alam din po ninyo na mayroon pong owner ito, the fact that the property is fenced, no? At ito po ay hindi na disturb, no? So, more so kung titled po yung property, okay? Ngayon, kung hindi po titled yung property, perhaps you could try, no? Baka inabandon na ng owner ito at maaring hindi na natuloy yung kanilang pagpatitulo nito, no? So, i-check po ninyo, no? And then perhaps kung ganon, you can have this consolidated dun sa inyong property if the property is titled. But hindi po tayo sigurado dyan. Lamang na kayo pag may alam sa batas.